Hi, Kama speaking here. So, I have been away for a couple of weeks and I just came back from overseas. So, as you can see here, I am taking all of my packages that were dropped by the vendors into my house. And this is me arranging the packages because there were some that belongs to my parents. So anyway, when I was walking back to my room, I accidentally dropped all of the packages. Then it's why it's pitch black on the video. Sorry guys. I didn't even have the time to arrange my stuffs when I went back because went straight away with the unboxing of the keyboard. So I've been waiting for so long for this keyboard since 4th of January. So it's been what? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. 8 total months of patience. And as you guys can see, this is stupid me trying hard to open the box. Why didn't I just take the cutter? So guys, this board is the QK65. As you guys can see, it's very neat. It comes with an 80% all-step screw-in stabilizers kit, and it also comes with the QWERTY keys USB-C cable, and obviously with the QK65 carrying bag. So as you can see, I'm very excited about this board because this will be the very first custom mechanical keyboard I actually have to build from scratch. This board is bought by QWERTY Keys, and the vendor that brings the board to Indonesia is from Makaland. So huge thank to Makaland for all the work they put into this board so they can arrive at my home safely. And inside the carrying case there will be a FR4 plate and an extra aluminum plate that I bought with all the gasket socks and jackets. The PCB comes with the plate foam and porn sheet, and for the case, it's a CNC machine aluminum top case with an anodized or electrophoretic finish, a PVD coated stamped steel plate, and a die cast aluminum bottom case. And the color that I chose is the black with chroma back plate as the weight plate. And also inside the case there is a large molded silicone dampener that fills the space between the case and the PCB. And of course, the PCB that I chose is definitely the hot swap PCB, because it will be so much easier when in the future I want to change switches, right? And so yeah guys, I'm going to speed it up more so you guys can see the build and the assembly of the keyboard, and I'll see you at the sound test of the Holy Panda switches that I'm using into this board. Right. I think that's all about the QK65. I think this is a really good board. The weight itself is pretty hefty. I didn't have a scale on me right now, so I cannot actually weigh it. Yeah, the board is pretty nice. I mean, the build quality is good, except there's one minor thing. If you guys can see, this key, it's actually a slightly bent. I think, I don't know what it's called. It's a bit tilted that way. If you guys can see, I'm going to tell the vendors about this. But the sound is pretty nice. I think I'm going to remove the case dampener because it sounds very damped, and the sound of Holy Panda didn't pop out exactly like I wanted to. It's a little bit muted than I think at first. So yeah, that's it. QK65. Comment down below, do you like QK65 for those who buy the keyboard, and for those who didn't buy the keyboard, you can buy it aftermarket, but I think the price will be more expensive, right, because it's aftermarket. So yeah, that's for the videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.